CNA Chapter 8, Unit 1, page 209, Nutrition and Hydration. Unit 1, identify the 6 basic nutrients and explain MyPlate. Nutrition is how the body uses food to maintain health. Body needs a well-balanced diet with nutrients and plenty of fluids. This helps the body grow new cells, maintain normal body function, and have energy. Proper nutrition in early life helps ensure health later on in life. A healthy diet promotes the healing of wounds. It also helps a person cope with stress. A nutrient is a necessary substance that provides energy, promotes growth and health, and helps regulate metabolism. Metabolism is a process by which nutrients are broken down to be used by the body for energy growth and maintenance. The body needs the following 6 nutrients for growth and development. They are water. Water is the most essential nutrient for life. Without it, a person can only live for a few days. Water assists in the digestion and absorption of food. Through perspiration, water also helps maintain normal body temperature. Keeping enough fluid in the body is necessary for health. Some foods are also sources of water, include soup, celery, lettuce, and apples. 2, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates supply the body with energy and extra protein. Carbohydrates also provide fiber, which is necessary for bowel elimination. Carbohydrates can be divided into 2 basic types, complex and simple. Complex carbohydrates are found in bread, cereal, potatoes, rice, pasta, vegetables, and fruits. And simple carbohydrates are found in sugars, sweets, syrups, and jellies. Simple carbohydrates do not have the same nutritional value that complex carbohydrates have. Number 3, protein. Proteins are part of every body cell. They are needed for tissue growth and repair. Proteins also supply energy for the body. Excess proteins are excreted by the kidneys or stored as body fat. Sources of protein include seafood, poultry, meat, eggs, milk, cheese, nuts, nut butters, peas, beans, and legumes, and vegetarian meat substitutes from a variety of food sources. Whole grain cereals, pasta, rice, and breads contain some proteins too. 4, fats. Fats help the body store energy. Fats add flavor to food and are important for the absorption of certain vitamins. Fats fall into 4 categories: saturated, trans or monosaturated, polysaturated, saturated, and trans fats can increase cholesterol levels. And the risk of some diseases such as cardiovascular disease are at risk. So monosaturated and polysaturated fats can be helpful in the diet and can decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Some fats from animal sources such as butter, pork, fowl, fish, and dairy products. Some fats can also come in plant sources such as olives, nuts, and seeds. 5, vitamins. Vitamins are substances needed for the body to function. The body cannot make most vitamins, and they can only be obtained from certain particular foods. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. This means they are carried and stored in body fat. Vitamins B and C are water-soluble vitamins. 6, minerals. Minerals maintain body function, and minerals help build bones, make hormones, and help in blood formation. They provide energy and control body processes. Zinc, iron, calcium, and magnesium are examples of minerals. People have different nutritional needs depending upon their age, gender, and activity level. In 2011, in response to increasing rates of obesity, the United States Department of Agriculture developed the MyPlate to help people build a healthy plate at mealtimes, as shown in figure 8-4. Fruit, vegetables, and fruits. Vegetables and fruits should make up half of a person's plate. Vegetables include all fresh, frozen, canned, and dried vegetables and vegetable juices. There are 5 subgroups within the vegetable group, and they are organized by nutritional content. These are dark green vegetables, red and orange vegetables, bean and peas, starchy vegetables, and other vegetables. A variety of vegetables from these subgroups should be eaten every day. Dark green, red, and orange vegetables have the best nutritional content. Vegetables are low in fat and calories and have no cholesterol. Dietary fiber, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin C. Most choices should be whole, cut up, or pureed fruit rather than juice. Fruits like vegetable are naturally low in fat, sodium, and calories have no cholesterol. Foods containing dietary fiber help provide a feeling of fullness with fewer calories. Grains, page 211. A person should make up half his grain intake whole grains. Foods from grains include bread, pasta, oatmeal, breakfast cereals, tortillas, and grits. Grains can be divided into two groups, whole grains and refined grains. Whole grain contains bran and germ, as well as endosperm, while refined grains retain only the endosperm. The endosperm is a tissue within flowering plants, and it surrounds and nourishes the plant embryo. Examples of whole grains include brown rice, wild rice, bulgur, oatmeal, whole grain corn, whole oats, whole wheat, and whole rye. Foods rich in fiber reduce the risk of heart disease and other diseases and may reduce constipation. Protein. Meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs are all animal sources of protein. Beans, peas, soy products, vegetarian meat substitutes, nuts, and seeds are all plant sources of protein. Seafood should be eaten twice a week in place of meat or poultry. Seafood that is higher in oils and low in mercury, such as salmon or trout, is a better choice. Lean meats and poultry, as well as eggs and egg whites, can be eaten on a regular basis. Beans and peas, soy products, which are tofu, and many vegetarian products are vegetarian meat substitutes. Nuts and seeds are low in saturated fats and high in fiber. These acids may reduce the risk of heart disease, which are nuts and seeds are excellent sources of essential fatty acids. Sunflower seeds and almonds are also a good source of vitamin E. Dairy. Most dairy group choices should be fat-free or low fat. Milk and yogurt contain less sodium than most cheeses. Milk provides nutrients that are vital for the health and maintenance of the body. These nutrients include calcium, potassium, vitamin D, and protein. Fat-free or low-fat milk provides these nutrients without the extra calories and saturated fat. Guidelines for healthy food choices. Enjoy your food, but eat less. Eating too fast or eating without paying attention to your food can lead to overeating. Avoid oversized portions. Eat foods more often, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and fat-free or 1% milk and low-fat dairy products all have better nutrients for health. Eat foods less often, such as fats, added sugars, and salt. These foods include fatty meats like bacon and hot dogs, cheese, fried foods, ice cream, and cookies. Check sodium content in foods. Foods high in sodium include the following: cured meats, salty or smoked fish, processed cheese, salted foods such as nuts, pretzels, potato chips, and dips. Vegetable preserved in brine such as pickles, sauerkraut, and olives. Sauces with high concentration of salt include steak, soy sauces, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. Commercially prepared foods such as breads, canned soups, and vegetables, and certain breakfast cereals. And last, drink water instead of sugary drinks. Drinking water or unsweetened beverages reduces sugar and calorie intake. Sweetened beverages include soda, fruit punch, and sport drinks are a major source of sugar and calorie in diets.